Looking expensive on a budget is all about creating an illusion of luxury and sophistication without breaking the bank. Well, I am Shik and welcome back to my YouTube channel Everyday for Styling. Today we're going to talk about top 5 tips to help you achieve a high-end look without spending a fortune. So let's start with our first tip. Tip number 1, focus on fit. Ensure that your clothing fits you well. Ill-fitting clothes can make even the most expensive garments look cheap. Tailor your clothes to flatter your body shape and consider alteration if necessary. This simple adjustment can instantly elevate your overall look. Tip number 2, pay attention to details. It's the small details that can make a significant difference. Polish your shoes, iron your clothes, and pay attention to grooming. Well-maintained, clean and neat appearances create an impression of sophistication and luxury. Tip number 3, embrace minimalism. Opt for a minimalist style that exudes elegance and simplicity. Stick to classic, timeless pieces that never go out of style. Clean lines, neutral colors, and simple silhouettes gives an air of sophistication. Avoid overly trendy or flashy items that can quickly look dated. Tip number 4, choose quality fabrics. Even if you are on a budget, prioritize quality fabrics. Look for natural fibers like cotton, silk, linen, and wool. They tend to drape better, feel more comfortable, and have a higher end appearance. Avoid cheap synthetic materials that can look and feel subpar. Tip number 5, accessorize wisely. Accessories can instantly elevate your look. Invest in a few high-quality accessories that can be paired with various outfits. A classic handbag, a well-crafted belt, a sophisticated scarf, or a statement piece of jewelry can add a touch of luxury to your outfit. Opt for timeless designs rather than trendy ones. Remember, looking expensive is not about the price tag, but about how you put yourselves together. With a little attention to detail and some strategic choices, you can achieve a sophistication and expensive looking style on a budget. So let me know in the comments which tip you like the most, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more fashion content. So thank you so much for watching and stay stylish, fashion lovers.